This is continuation of our Utakshara series, and we are still doing Sajati Utakshara. This is part 2 of Sajati Utakshara. So here this is more practice for reading the alphabets having Utaksharas. So this is on page 37 in Savi Kannada grade 1 part 2 of the textbook. This is page 37. We also have page 36. So we will first look at page 36. So the word is appa. Appa. Remember the main consonant. The main consonant we have to read it in its root form, and the second consonant you have to read it as a whole consonant. So we will read it as a plus p plus pa. Appa. So it will become appa together. Bassu. So this word, it has a Gunitakshara as well. So we will read it as b plus the main consonant will be read in its root form s plus the second consonant, the Gunitakshara will get added to the second consonant. So s plus u. This is the second consonant, the secondary consonant for which the Gunitakshara is added. So when you read it together, it will be basu, basu, basu. Together you will read it as basu. Halla, halla, halla. Appuge, 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 appuge. Bellulli, bellulli. So together it will be bellulli. So this word, it has Utaksharas and Gunitaksharas. So let's break down this word. So be plus the main consonant will be read in its root form l plus the u will get added to the secondary consonant. So l plus u. Then plus again here the main consonant will be read in its root form plus the e Gunitakshara will get added to the secondary consonant plus e. So together bellulli, bellulli. So the word will be bellulli, bellulli. Then tapassu, tapassu, tapassu. So now with the meanings, appa means father, bassu, the English word bus itself is called as bassu. Then halla, halla is a stream or a low-lying area. Appuge, appuge, appuge means hug. Bellulli, bellulli means garlic. Tapassu is penance. Now we will continue and look at the words in page 37. So these are the alphabets where the Utakshara symbol is totally different from the alphabet. So ta, na, ma, ya and la. If you notice, when you look at the symbol, you cannot guess what the alphabet is. So the Utakshara symbols are totally different from that of the alphabets. So this you have to remember these symbols very clearly. So ta, na, ma, ya and la. Utakshara for ta, then for na, for ma, ya and la. Ta, na, ma, ya and la. So these are the Utakshara symbols for these alphabets. Now let us look at the words here again. Betta, betta, betta. Anna, anna. Betta, anna. Tamma, tamma. Ayya, ayya. Bella, bella. So that's how you read the Utaksharas. Then Kattari, kattari, kattari. Kannada, kannada, kannada. Hemmara, hemmara. Uyale, uyale. Mallige, mallige. So, betta, cane. Anna, rice. Tamma, younger brother. Ayya, sir. Bella, jaggery. Ayya is like talking to somebody with respect, like saying sir, like how we say sir in English. Kattari, scissors. Kannada, Kannada, the language Kannada. Hemmara, Hemmara means a big tree. Uyyale, swing. Mallige, jasmine, flower jasmine. So, these are all the words which have Sajati Uttaksharas. Again, make sure that you know that this is Sajati because this is Ta and this is also the Uttakshara of Ta itself. This is the Uttakshara symbol for the alphabet Ta. So, Ta and Ta together, that is why it is Sajati. Anna, here also. Na, and also it has the Uttakshara of the Na itself. So, this is a symbol of Na alphabet. So, Anna, both main consonant and the secondary consonant are of the same type. That is why these are all Sajati Uttaksharas. So, we will continue with Vijati Uttakshara in the next video.